And let's see how this goes. Yeah, I mean, I don't normally drink Sprite myself. It's Dr. Pepperman, fully reserved. But yeah, I thought, you know, why not try this? See, I couldn't get it in a bottle. I'd have preferred a bottle, but the can was £2.50 from a little one of those little shacks, like beach hut shacks. But yeah, obviously you know beach prices are like, they're crazy. Can't really feel anything yet. So busy down here. Obviously some holidays, all the little kiddies are down here. Really busy. Oh, I can feel something bubbling up. It's quite hard actually. You can see why this went viral on social media, how it all started. I don't normally burp a lot of soft drinks, but I think I might fail this in a sec. Oh, bloody hell. Tiny little bit left, not much in there. I didn't last, did it? I didn't last long. I can feel that coming. And that's that then, guys. So yeah, I mean, I probably could have kept it down, but it's better out than in, right? So, right, well, I'd like to nominate either Crouch, the Dom, or who else? Yeah, one of you guys can have a go at doing it next. Or Johnny, I don't know if you've done it before. I know Lee has, so yeah. Anyway, cheers guys, that was the Sprite no burping challenge that I have failed. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Hope you all have a good day. Cheers.